This is the Black Hornet Nano. It was produced by the Norwegian company Prox Dynamics in 2011 for the first time in Norway. Later, using the same technology, it was improved and started to be produced in many countries. Also, the armed forces of countries like Russia, Ukraine, Norway, United States, France, United Kingdom, Germany, Algeria, Ireland, Australia go to the enemy territory and observe their activities without being noticed by the enemies against them. Also, to collect the intelligence information needed to launch future operations. This plane has been deployed in the form of unmanned British helicopters. Actually, this is a very small plane that can be carried in the palm of your hand. You will be surprised by the length and weight here. In fact, the length of this plane is 100 centimeters, which is 10 chem, and its kinetic diameter is 120 m. The total weight of the aircraft is 16 grams. Also, a remote control with its screen weighs about 1 kilogram. Due to its lightweight, it can be easily carried anywhere. Due to its small size and silent wings that do not make a sound during operation, it can be entered unnoticed and discreetly, even through a window or a hole in the wall, about the real situation in it. There's an observation capability in this planet. During attacks and battles in urban areas, the support of this aircraft is extremely useful. This is a tactical-grade drone. Also, this plane has the ability to stay in the air for a long distance and for a long time. Fly it up to a maximum distance of 2 kilometers from the operator, and the battery life is 25 minutes. 3 cameras are connected to this plane. That means 1 in front, 1 straight down, and 1 45 degrees down. When buying this plane, you have to buy it as a Black Hornet package. It contains 2 of these helicopters. Charge the aircraft's battery up to 90s in 20-25 minutes, which is similar to flight time when one aircraft needs to be recharged during a mission. The other aircraft is ready to fly. 2 planes have been provided for this set for the convenience of continuous operations, and the maximum speed that can fly is 21 km. In October 2014, Prox Dynamics developed and unveiled the Black Hornet with night vision capabilities. So they claim that Prox Dynamics has delivered over 3,000 Black Hornets by 2014. So thank you very much for sticking with this video, and comment your opinion about this video below. If you think the video is good, give the video a like. If you think the video is important, share this video for others to see, and keep watching similar videos. Curious World, please subscribe us, and keep the bell icon on all. I will come again until we meet again with a similar video. Have a nice day.